This is You Think You've Got It Bad by Lyfe Jennings. I'm going to go ahead and play through the verse chords. Okay, so it just kind of repeats those. I'm on a C major. Going to an A minor. And it has like a reggae tone kind of beat rhythm to it, so for that you can kind of do this plucking pattern. Kind of hit that 6th string, then you just pluck these, and then you slap. Okay, so we do that about 5 times, I believe. And then we go into this walk up. It's going to sound like this. So we're starting on a D minor 7, going to an E minor 7, to an F major 7, and then you're just walking that back down. See that? And then we do it again. Okay, so we get back here, and then you're going to end on a G major 11. Okay, and then you go back into the verse chords, which were these. So I think for the second verse we only do that twice, and then it goes to a breakdown. It might be the version that I was listening to on YouTube, or that might be how it actually is in the song. But yeah, on the second, after the second time you do the verse chords, it goes into this right here. You know, it just kind of does that walk down that we already know. Just wanted to throw that in there, but it's all stuff that we already know. So, pretty basic song. That's what the chords are made up of. So, have fun with that one.